So viewers, this has been over 72 hours, after which you've seen the Mumbai hit-and-run horror. Now the main accused, the Shinde Sena leader's son Mihir, has finally been arrested by the Mumbai police just about yesterday. He was held in the outskirts of Mumbai, where he was hiding in a flat. The police sources now also detail the entire sequence of events. They tell us the crash happened at 5:25 a.m. on Sunday, flinging the victim Kaveri and her husband in the air literally. While the husband, he falls aside, Kaveri actually falls on the bonnet of the car. Then she gets stuck between the tires of the car. It was at this moment that Mihir has learned to have just switch sides with the driver, because he was at the wheels, he realized what has happened, so he decided quickly to switch sides. Now, then they run the car over the victim one again. Now, clearly this tells you that had they wanted, they could have saved her. She could have been alive, but clearly that did not happen. The police has also learned to have produced the CCTV footage of the crash in the court, but it hasn't been made public yet. But what has raised eyebrows is that Mihir has been charged with Section 105 of the BNS, which is culpable homicide not amounting to murder. So you realize the kind of charges that are being slapped against him. Culpable homicide not amounting to murder, even though the police sources say that the victim woman was deliberately run over after the crash. This is perhaps what leads the husband now to say that this is still an attempt to cover up the entire case.
3 दिन लगा ये अरेस्ट हुआ नहीं है, वो किया है और इधर दिखा रहा है अरेस्ट हुआ है। बताओ ना, अगर 3 दिन पहले अरेस्ट होता ना, 24 घंटे में अरेस्ट होता, उसको अरेस्ट हुआ वो बोलता है। हाँ, पिताजी को जामीन मिलने के बाद तुरंत कैसे लड़का मिलता है? इसका राज क्या है? अगर बार में रेडबुल पीने के लिए जाएगा तो मूर्ख है क्या वो? हाँ, बार में क्या रेडबुल पीने के लिए जाते हैं क्या लोग? हाँ, उधर 18,000 बिल क्या रेडबुल का होता है? उसी टाइम ब्रेक मारा था वो। मेरा वाइफ के हाथ पे सिर्फ चक्का था, वाइफ चिल्ला रही थी पीछे लो पीछे लो, जोर जोर से उसको गाली दे रही थी, तभी वो अच्छी थी। अगर उसी टाइम उसने पीछे लिया होता तो मेरी वाइफ बच जाती थी। कोई गरीब आदमी को ये नहीं है, गरीब आदमी ऐसा ही मरेगा। अगर प्रशासन ऐसा ही उनके पीछे रहेगा तो गरीब आदमी मरेगा, कुछ नहीं होने वाला।
So that is a distraught husband, I think, raising a lot of questions that are on top of your and my minds. But let's take this story ahead and tell you more of what has happened. Now, apart from arresting Mihir, the Mumbai police also has taken into custody his mother, 2 sisters and 2 of Mihir's close friends, who the police say allegedly helped Mihir in the entire case, and they also helped him to escape. Sources say that the Mumbai police has detained a total of 12 people for aiding Mihir to remain in hiding. Times Now has also learnt through sources that what happened after the incident and how the cops actually tracked Mihir down. Mihir and his family travelled to a resort in Saharanpur. Now, Mihir, his mother, 2 sisters, and 2 of his friends were staying in this resort. Mihir, along with a friend, was headed to Virar on Monday night without telling his family members about this. The police then were apparently able to track Mihir after his friend switches on his phone for 15 minutes. And the 2 then are nabbed from the Virar Naka, while Mihir's family members were picked up later from the resort. They are being questioned for aiding Mihir's escape. All this is what the police is telling us of how they were able to nab him. Arunil is live with us, and he also, remember, right from day one has been tracking the story. Arunil, but like the husband said, ki dal mein kuch to kala hai. They are not able to believe this version that the police has put forward, and more importantly, is this a hit and run or this is a murder case?
Well, murder charge has been demanded by the opposition leaders. Varsha Gaikwad, who visited the deceased home yesterday, she spoke to the husband of Kaveri Nakua as well, the deceased, and they unitedly have been demanding that this is not an accident but this is a murder, because the woman had fallen on the bonnet of the car. She was alive then, just because Mihir Shah decided to flee from the spot and drove his car at a very high speed, basically put on the accelerators. That is when Kaveri Nakua, her body got entangled in the wheels of the car, and unfortunately she passed away. Some latest information also we are basically gathering from the Worli police station, from where we have been reporting continuously on this case. Basically, we understand that the Mumbai police believes that they have sufficient evidence now after speaking to the staff members, the waiters, managers at the high-end bar in Juhu, that Mihir Shah allegedly had consumed alcohol, and that basically alcohol was the Jack Daniels from the Tennessee, Jack Daniels, Tennessee. This particular alcohol, if somebody wants to consume in the state of Maharashtra, the age limit is 25 years. However, Mihir's age is 23, and that is why the excise department later on initiated a massive crackdown on the high-end bar in Juhu. In fact, the bar itself is sealed now. Now, what exactly were the sequence of events after the horrific incident that took place? Mihir basically reportedly informed his father. The father basically told him that the driver is going to take the blame. You basically flee from this city. You leave the city. Mihir went to Goregaon to his girlfriend's residence. There were as many as 40 calls that were exchanged between Mihir and his girlfriend. The girlfriend was informed about the accident as well as the death of the woman. The girlfriend basically called the elder sister Pooja, or Mihir's elder sister. She also came in. The entire family along with the mother decided to leave for the Yehur Hills in Thane. Basically, this is a jungle area in the Thane district of Mumbai. There the family members were staying. Later on, they Mihir and another of his friend Avdeep, they moved to Murbad, which is basically Shahpur. In Shahpur resort they were staying. Avdeep and Mihir, after seeing the continuous coverage against them, they decided to change their location and come to a resort in Virar. Now, what exactly happened was Avdeep basically decided to switch on his phone for 10 to 15 minutes. The police had kept Avdeep on their radar because they had seen that Mihir was constantly in touch with Avdeep before the accident had taken place. And because Avdeep switched on his phone, the cops were able to trace the location of both
so
Avdeep and
you essentially
Mihir.
are telling us how was he tracked down, but clearly the question that we began this conversation with, that why not murder charges being slapped against him, is the police still wanting to, give him that leeway where perhaps after a few days he can just step out free, are questions that the opposition is also asking. So we'll just listen into what we've heard from them, because they continue to say that in the first place, the arrest is delayed. It's happened only and only after a relentless media pressure. They also see this as a part of a plan to save Mihir. While the Congress has demanded that the murder charges should be pressed against him, the NCP SP leaders are also asking that how will the presence of alcohol in the blood be confirmed after 3 long days? Exactly a point that Arunil just mentioned. They also suspect that the delay in the arrest was only to ensure that the case could be weakened against him.
हिट एंड रन का तो केस है ही नहीं, क्योंकि हिट एंड रन के बाद उनके फैमिली के लोगों ने उनको रोकने का कोशिश की, उनके हस्बैंड ने, उसके बाद भी गाड़ी चलाते गए। इसका मतलब ये सिर्फ हिट एंड रन का केस नहीं है, ये मर्डर का केस है, तो उसके ऊपर मर्डर का चार्ज लेना चाहिए। हम तो वही जाके कहने वाले पुलिस स्टेशन में कि लगाना चाहिए।
There are reports that Mihir Shah's father is affiliated to the Eknath Shinde Shiv Sena. Therefore, this should not be the reason why leniency is accorded to him.
So after 60 hours, do you think that alcohol will be present in his blood sample? Absolutely not. He has very smartly swept himself. Pune case, you arrested the mother, you arrested the grandfather, you arrested the father, you arrested everybody. Why not in this?
इतने दिन 2 दिनों फरार था, ताकि कोर्ट में जब ये मामला जाएगा तब मीर शाह के दारू पीने का सवाल नहीं आता, क्योंकि उसका ब्लड सैंपल का रिपोर्ट नेगेटिव आएगा। तो हमारा आरोप है कि मीर शाह को जानबूझ के फरार किया गया क्या, क्योंकि एक पर्टिकुलर पार्टी के साथ में उसका संबंध था।
So is Mihir being shielded? The opposition says very much, but the BJP says absolutely not. Now, this is a response that has come in from the Bharatiya Janata Party, where they say that we are sure that the state police is doing absolutely everything to ensure that there is fast-track justice in the entire case, and also saying that nobody will be spared.
मुंबई का हिट एंड रन का जो दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण मामला सामने आया, उसमें पुलिस ने तुरंत उस चालक के पिता की गिरफ्तारी की। जिस बार में वो शराब पी रहा था, उस बार को भी सील कर दिया। पूरे महाराष्ट्र में जहां जहां पर ये जो गलत संस्कृति पनप रही है, बार है, पब है, जो पूरी तरह से गलत है, बिना अनुमति के हैं, उन पर बुलडोजर चलाया जा रहा है। किसी को भी बख्शा नहीं जाएगा, कानून अपना काम करेगा।
So that is Ram Kadam of the BJP speaking. Arunil, I'm not sure how many people really believe their assurance that really has come in from him, because we'll have to see how the investigations proceed. But for the moment, I'm thanking you for piecing together everything we had on the story, and we'll track that also. Let's move on now to get you our next